It's Joanne. I wanted to tell you that I love this Lazy Susan organizer and I feel like it's perfect for this space. It is stylish and it has a sophisticated look. It has the black rail with the wood base that gives it kind of a touch of vintage elegance in my decor. This has a 360-degree rotation and allows for easy access to any items that I've placed on here. You just simply rotate it and get to the things that you need. It has four non-slip pads on the bottom to keep it in place so it doesn't move when you are turning it to get your items, so it keeps it stable. It's available in four different sizes. Mine is a 9-inch size, but it's perfect for this space. You could use the Lazy Susan in your kitchen as well as for your living room, maybe your bedroom, bathroom, your pantry. I have it use it as display purposes. You can choose the size though that fits your needs and elevates the space and offers convenience and style. It's perfect because of the premium quality materials, its effortless accessibility, it's versatile in use and stylish design, gives it that vintage elegance. I love it.